All right, here I am with Infinox, and I want to know more about Infinox. And for that, we're going to talk to Mr. Sam. Good morning, Sam.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
I'm very well, thank you. Very well.
Before we start, how was day one?
Day one was great. Day one was really good. I think being at an expo after a long time, and I'm sure many people are having the same feelings.
Yeah.
It's been a great opportunity to come together after such a long time locked down, with the global situation. A great opportunity to showcase what we've been doing for the last couple of years, the last 18 months.
Truly.
Which for Infinox, that's meant to really grow our product offering, to grow our brand, to grow what we're doing. And I think that's been, you can just tell from everyone's faces, meeting existing clients, new clients, talking to peers and fellow brokers. It's been a fantastic opportunity. Day one was great. Day two looks to be warming up to be exactly the same. So yeah, fantastic.
That's great, man. I'm myself, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah,
right
good
now.
News.
Good news. The question is that I guess every trader, every viewer, every newbie, every person usually asks, who is Infinox?
Infinox, predominantly we are a FX and CFD broker, offering the Meta suite of platforms, MT4, MT5. We were born in London, UK, originally FCA regulated only. That was back in 2019. So we are, a well-established broker, been operating now for 11 plus years. And in that time, it's been thankfully, consistent growth. We've expanded into 15 offices worldwide, year-on-year growth, multi-regulated, which allows for us to be, adapt to different market conditions, adapt to different regions, understand and have the facilities, platform, infrastructure to, operate with clients from many different regions and backgrounds and have that efficiencies, culture to allow for that growth. And everyone will say this, as a broker, we're only as good as our clients.
Truly.
Because without our clients, we have no business. We function for our clients, we adapt for our clients, and that's what we've consistently done. As I mentioned, we've got 15 offices globally. The reason we have that is because we want that local presence. We want to have the knowledge and understanding of the clients locally to know how to work with those guys, to work with our clients, to adapt our products. And that's probably a key function of Infinox or key belief of Infinox is that we work with our clients, we build a relationship with our clients to ensure that the product and how we service is right for them.
True.
We're all MT4, MT5 brokers.
Right.
We all offer the similar products.
Almost.
Right? Infinox has 300 plus products. Superb, right? It's a lot. But what we've tried to do is adapt how we work to suit the client base. One of our latest offerings is, our IX Social trading app,
which I heard about it and I wanted to ask you about it.
Yeah. It's fantastic. And, it's a great product to allow us to bring communities of traders together. So communities of our traders together to learn, to communicate, to come together to discuss the markets. Because that helps with learning, it helps with education. It also helps because we have a community of experienced traders who our clients, Infinox clients, any client that opens an account with Infinox can access our app that allows our clients to copy, strategies, expert traders. It allows our clients to learn by communicating with each other, but also communicating with our experts, with our analysts, our traders, our strategy providers, to increase their knowledge base.
Got you.
Learning, as we know, all of us, right?
Truly, every single day. And that was like one of my questions I wanted to ask about the platform, and especially your social trading app, which I heard has been like almost for 12 months you're working on it, or it's been launched.
So yeah, it's been launched around 12 months ago now.
Yeah. So my question was again for that learning and all this. Now, okay, let's take an example. I'm a newbie, all right? I'm a newbie trader, and I heard about your company, I heard about Infinox, and I heard about your strategies and the plans and everything. But I'm a little bit worried. I'm hesitating a little bit. I'm scared. And I want to be not like convinced, but I want to be sure that I can trust you. So, as you, Sam, please give me your strongest 3 key features in Infinox.
Okay. You know,
So I can sign.
Everyone's new to the markets at some point, right? And I would always recommend any new trader to make sure they test before they invest.
So we go into the
demo environment, right?
The demo. Okay.
I would always recommend that. But once you're over that stage, you're still relatively new. You know, even though you've tried to learn, you've tested a demo, you've done your research on different brokers, and if you do your research on different brokers, you'll find out that Infinox is one of the better brokers, and that's because of a number of things. That's because of, you know, we are strongly regulated, and being strongly regulated means that we have to take care of our clients, not just because that's an ethos of Infinox and the people within Infinox, we want to take care of our clients, but because of that multi-regulation, we have to ensure the clients are, you know, knowledgeable and they have the right information. We have to ensure that we provide safety of funds, segregate those funds from any other business, because we want our clients to have access and be secured in the fact, or, you know, in the belief that, you know, we are looking after their money. So that's number one, security regulation. It's twofold, but it's number one. The second is the relationships we build with our clients.
Customer service, emails, follow-ups.
Completely, right?
Client service management.
Again, it you know, because in theory it's an online industry, most people we touch are online. We try our hardest with our local offices to have that local representation, but mainly we're online. And if you're online, you need to have faith in who you're dealing with.
Yeah, because it's anonymous. It's like,
exactly. So building that relationship, be that over the phone, be that via our social app, be that via email communication, whatever it may be. That's fundamental to what we do, to build a relationship. So again, going back to security really, security of funds, but security in the relationship. But that's number 2, relationship. And I would say the next part is our innovation. And innovation, I say that because we're in a world, you know, where technology continues to develop.
Sure.
How we interact continues to develop. The products we want to trade continue to develop. And that's what we try to do. We try to add products that our clients want, new, you know, be it crypto, be it FX, be it commodities, be that a new product, we offer that. But also in the technology space, our IX social app, as we've mentioned, right? Fantastic revelation. Allows traders to come together, to see each other. We're in that world now, right? No, Instagram, TikToks. You know, we want to see what each other are doing.
Yeah.
At the same time, you can learn within that app. You can innovate within that app. You can follow expert traders. You can see and make your own decisions about what you want to do with different strategies.
Gotcha.
So that innovation. So, as I say, regulation, security of funds, relationships, and innovation would be the key fundamental pillars of Infinox, what we try to portray as a company.
And we're gonna keep it that way. Okay, I got a couple of questions more. I'm a little bit worried about payment terms, and I wanted to ask, how comfortable am I as a trader with Infinox to have that kind of a platform term? Like, meaning how comfortable I can be with the payment terms?
Yeah, okay. So payment terms, you know, payments are a big thing, right? Because we are what our clients are doing are entrusting us with their money to hold it while they trade. Okay, they need to have access to that.
Right, withdrawals and all that.
Yeah. So we offer a multitude of different payment options, which are reviewed constantly to ensure they are the best available options for where you reside, be that wherever in the world. We will ensure that you have the best and reliable options to make payment in the smoothest and quickest way.
Will it differ even, sorry to cut you up, will it differ even regardless where I am dealing from, that when I cash withdraw it will come through my own, let's say, AAD currency, or will it be converted to, let's say, AU or something like that?
It may do. It depends on the base currency of your trading account, where the money's going to be held.
Some commission will be taken off from that, right?
It depends. We do not charge for deposits and withdrawals. We cover that cost for our clients. We absorb that cost for our clients, let's say.
That's a good thing, though.
Yeah, it's a great thing, right? You know, we want to do that.
It's a big amount.
Yeah, it can be, right? And then withdrawals are, we release the money the same day, and then when it hits your account is dependent on a number of factors. Depending on the. So, but what we try to do, and this is it's a key part of our industry now, is to ensure we're monitoring, reviewing the payment options we have so that they're best available for the client, so that you can be secure and happy where your funds sit. That goes back to, all of our money segregated client funds, so that security is there for you. So yeah, we're a very fluid, efficient payment operation.
I like that. Final question. Take an example. Not really. Let's say, give us an advice for all the new traders, old traders, experienced traders, capital traders, whoever, all, especially but concentrate on new ones, the risks that they need to be aware about it before investing their $1 penny or anything, especially after they're done with the social platform that you were in, that we talked about earlier, which is your social trading app. And after that, they got into the training, and they got into everything. But yet, what are the risks that they need to be aware of?
Okay, so there's two types of risk, right? There is broker risk and there's market risk.
Okay. But we're talking individual.
For individual. Broker risk is do your research on the broker you're going to invest your money with.
Before I sign up.
Before you sign up. Make sure they're regulated, like Infinox.
Right?
Of course. Make sure that it's a proper operation, multiple regulation, established, been around for a while, because there are lots of new brokers that pop up now and again. No discredit to them, but ensure you are.
You'll be scared a little bit.
Just make sure.
Good offers and stuff.
They may be but they may be good. They may be good. But what I'm saying is just make sure you know. You do your research. Right? All scales of brokers are very, very good, but just do your research. That's the broker risk for a client.
Okay.
Next is market risk. And market risk is make sure you know what you're trading in. Don't take a punt, a gamble. Make sure you've done some research on what you wish to trade in. And then ensure, really, and this is the age-old tale, have a stop loss. Ensure you know what your risk limit is. Ensure you know that if the market goes against you, you're going to be closed out.
Wow.
And don't trade with more money that you can't afford. Make sure you can afford to lose it.
Right.
Is probably the best way to look at it, right? Because that's the worst case. The best case is that you make money. Worst case, you lose your money. With a stop loss, you can, in theory, you're controlling your losses in the worst case.
I got you.
And that's what I would say. Research. So research broker, research market, know your losses.
Know your losses. Sam, thank you very much for your wonderful time and for all information that I got from you today. I learned something new as always, and I like it when it's always about learning. So I appreciate your time.
No problem. Thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, it's an honor for us too, though. Now that we learned more about Infinox, and I guess all our viewers right now will know about you. Final question. I know you're in the 15 globally, 15 locations that you have, but how can we find you easily?
You can find us easily online via our website, which is infinox.com. Quite simple. You can go to the App Store and download our IX Social app, which is IX Social. Very simple. You can simply download the app and give it a view. IX Social, very simple to find on all App Stores, Google Store, all available. Or come to our website or come to our stand and have a chat with us.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much. Cheers.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Have a good day.